Step 1. Trust yourself. You must learn to trust yourself. Because if you don't trust yourself, who will? Stop waiting for others to approve you. Stop waiting for someone to say, "You can do it." Say it to yourself. Every morning look in the mirror and say, "I believe in myself. I am capable. I deserve success." It might feel strange at first, but the mind listens to the voice you repeat. What you say to yourself becomes what you believe, and what you believe becomes what you live. Step 2. Take small steps. Confidence is built like a muscle. You don't become strong in one day. You train, you practice, you repeat. Do something small today that scares you. Speak up. Try something new. Learn one new skill. Take one step forward. If you fall, stand up again. If you make mistakes, learn from them. If someone laughs, smile and keep going. Remember this: you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be improving. Step 3. Stop comparing yourself to others. You see people on social media looking successful, looking confident, and you think they have something you don't. But you don't see their struggles, their failures, their insecurities. Everyone is fighting a battle you cannot see. You are not supposed to be like them. You are supposed to be you. Your journey is different. Your path is unique. Your growth is personal. So stop comparing. Focus on your own progress. Step 4. Choose your environment. Your environment shapes your confidence. If you are surrounded by negative people, people who judge you, people who discourage you, people who don't believe in dreams, they will kill your confidence slowly, day by day. Find people who inspire you, people who believe in growth, people who talk about ideas, not gossip, people who make you feel alive. And if you don't find such people yet, become that person yourself. Step 5. Work on yourself every day. Read, exercise, improve your skills, be disciplined, be committed. Because confidence does not come from talking. It comes from doing. When you work on yourself, you begin to trust yourself. You start seeing progress. You start feeling stronger. The more you improve your abilities, the more self-confidence you build.